Hey, what up, JustKiddingParty people? We are back, and today we are playing Roomba beer pong. But because we don't drink beer, we went a little crazy, and we're gonna drink some crazy flavored drinks like ranch dressing, sweet corn, buffalo wing soda, coffee soda,
Ew, coffee soda,
And the way to win this game is to put all your balls into these cups.
What?
In this game, teams take turns putting their balls in. In this game, teams take turns throwing their ping pong ball into the other team's cups. This game is like traditional beer pong, but the difference is that the cups will be mounted on moving Roombas. Once the ball goes into the cup, that cup is taken away and the other team has to drink the contents inside the cup. You win when the opposing side has no cups for you to play with. Alright guys, what's your team name?
The Broomsticks.
Yeah! Broomsticks! Alright, what's your team name? Or our team name?
We're the fucking Dust Bunnies.
That's your team.
We're gonna dust you guys away.
Alright, Brandon and Joe. Rock, paper, scissors, that shit. Let's see it. Who goes first?
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Already on a good start.
You go first. Brandon, can you turn on your Roomba, please?
Nice spinner.
Damn.
That's way too close. How does it know? Let's go.
You got it, Joe. You got it. You got it.
You're not the baddest man on the planet.
Let's go come by.
Just don't aim.
Oh!
Hey, it's okay. Yeah. Follow Julian.
Right there, I feel it.
Let's go, P-Troy, you got this.
Oh, the homie bleed.
The Warriors.
That shit's wobbling.
Do it for the Warriors.
You fucking suck. Get out of here.
This is good. This is good.
Come closer.
Damn. It's gonna be the
This much off.
because you're Chinese, fool. Yeah. Yeah, you're Chinese.
Alright, go for it, Josh. Go for it, Josh.
Oh! Come on, you got this. Damn it.
You got this, Tim. Go, Tim. You got
Go,
this.
Tim.
Isaac.
Oh,
Do it for Isaac.
don't fail here.
Go, Tim.
This is a
Go,
socket
Tim.
height.
Go.
There you go.
Go, Tim.
Take it slow.
Oh!
No, monkey on Geo.
Let's do it for the Rasta, fool. Let's go, Gio.
No,
Wait,
no.
it's coming.
Oh! Coming closer, closer.
Hey, dust that, homies.
Okay.
Broomstick.
The broomsticks.
Smell it.
Damn, y'all screaming that drink.
It smells crazy. You know what it smells like?
Oh, it smells like the corn potage from.
Yeah.
Gross.
It's soda.
It smells like liquid popcorn.
What?
Yeah, it looks like
That sounds
butter.
You
good.
guys ready, broomsticks?
Cheers. What's like
Broomsticks.
pee-pee?
Yeah,
How
you
would you
gotta
piss?
try first and tell me.
1, 2, 3.
Enjoy the piss.
What is it? What did you do? It's not as good as I thought it was.
I know, it smells way better than it tastes.
It tastes, and it tastes not bad, but then right after, the aftertaste is really weird.
What is it? What flavor do you think it is?
Probably sweet corn.
Gross.
It kind of reminds me of like really spoiled sugar cane juice.
Yeah.
Hey, down it. Hey, Bleach away,
Let's
baby.
go, Blee. Come on, Blee. You got this, Blee.
I'm a Venmo to homie Blee right now.
You need the calories.
I need the calories.
Come on, Blee.
You need the calories, dude. Drink that shit.
Get that card out of my face.
You're Kanto, man. Nothing should
Stop
affect you.
tasting it.
I saw that.
Okay.
Oh.
Good.
Oh my god.
Damn. I saw that popping.
That shit just.
Got this part, you got this.
Say!
That's okay, it's okay. You got this part. Focus, just focus.
Steph Curry.
Nah, hell nah.
No, no, no.
Woo! All right, you got this churrito.
Mexican
Kobe.
Wait till it gets closer.
You got it. You got a challenge.
Yeah.
Don't get
Challenge
no
yourself. Challenge yourself. Do your ranch. Do it. Come on.
Go for the white one. I look far away, guys.
All the way, go, come on.
Come on, don't get too close.
Come on, make a drink.
Wait till it gets closer and don't do it when it's doing the spinning thing. So just catch it.
You got this, Julia.
Okay, I'm just gonna go for it.
Okay.
There you go. There you go.
You got this.
And that was a good shot.
I like that shot.
Yeah.
Broomsticks.
Broomsticks. Broomsticks. Go, that's funny.
Let's go.
Broomsticks. Broomsticks.
Oh!
That's trash.
Drink it.
That's trash.
Too fat.
You gotta eat the trash.
No.
That don't
That's
count?
pretty good. Go big boy.
No arch in this shot. Let's go,
Come on,
Detroit.
Detroit. Make a drink.
No!
Yes, please.
No!
You got one more shot. You got one more shot. Hold up. One more shot.
Down!
Chris Tucker is on fire. Let's do this.
I have a dream that white people and black people and even Chinese people could gamble together without getting different chips.
Let's go, Detroit.
You won't make it. I won't
Let's try to cheat. That's good enough. Alright, pause it.
Fuck your shit. All right.
Alright, Dust Bunny's fucking.
It's Sprite. It's just Sprite.
Sprite.
What is
Wait,
it?
okay, that's right.
What is this now?
Garbage.
Guess the flavor.
I don't want to fucking
It's
guess it.
fucking
I don't wanna
good.
smell it.
It's fucking Play-Doh.
It
It smells like
It
Play-Doh.
smells like vinegar and ranch.
It smells like fucking Play-Doh.
I smell nothing. Hey, what the fuck?
All right, let's do it.
Oh, what the fuck?
I don't want to try this shit.
I
don't wanna try it.
Just chug it, dude.
I don't want to try it.
Hold on, I'm gonna fucking barf again.
It's
your
nasty.
favorite.
It's really nasty. It's really nasty.
Let's taste it.
Why are you swishing it in your mouth? It's nasty.
It tastes like plastic.
This is definitely
Oh
ranch.
man, alright. I'm fucking scared. Down it,
You
fool.
said you tasted worse shit in your life.
Yeah, I want to taste it now.
Do it. Initiation.
It tastes like sweet plastic.
Welcome to JK Party, dude. Don't swish it. Don't swish it.
Just swallow it.
Gargle.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't do it.
Don't
Don't do it.
play
Don't
like
do it.
that.
Oh, we're gonna lose. Keep it in your mouth.
Keep it in your mouth.
We're not gonna lose.
That was nasty.
Hey, the worst part is over.
That's true. They still have theirs.
That
crying
shit tastes
already.
like
Wait for that.
that shit tastes like fucking plastic.
It was
Hell
nasty.
no. They taste like a fucking dead corpse vagina.
Yeah, that shit tastes like food.
Fucking
Wow.
gross.
That line
Come
this
bounce off the
way.
wall.
Do it off the wall. Come on.
No, don't
Do
don't
it.
need okay. Just do it
No, do
regular.
it. Challenge. Trust me. Trust me.
Go.
Take it off. Come on. No, just
Go
do
for
it.
it. Go for it.
Come on, come on.
Off the wall. You would have made it. You would have made
Josh,
it.
look over there. Don't look at me.
Damn it.
Are you looking at me the whole time?
I would have made it.
No, do that when you're on there too.
Broomsticks. Broomsticks.
nervous.
Broomsticks.
Nervous.
Broomsticks.
Nervous.
Oh.
Nervous. Don't be nervous.
I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. You farted.
Okay, it's okay.
That was a good one.
You ain't got it. You ain't
Fuck
got it.
them up for making us taste that shit. Fucking get them.
Oh!
Come on, get the wrench.
Elbows.
I'm right here.
Close are you?
She's leaning over for her. Look at my elbow.
Your entire body's over the table.
Yo, let's go. Let's go. Don't listen to
Play like that.
Let's go, Bart. Let's go, Bart. Fucking fuck.
Like that, dude.
Fucking fuck.
That's fine, just as long as your elbow's on the table.
Let's go, Bart.
No. Good boy.
I just tasted
Do
her
it.
Fucking
Do it.
disgusting soda.
I know.
No.
Got away from me.
So it gets a little closer.
No.
Yeah.
Cheryl.
Round 5.
You got it. Kobe's retired. Kobe's retired.
You got it.
No, Kobe still has the magic.
$1 million shot. Here we go.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah, dribble that ball.
There you go.
That's gonna help.
There you go, Cheryl. There you go.
Oh!
It's okay. You got one more. It's okay. You're close.
You got it. You got it. It's close. It's stopped.
Wait.
Oh. No, that's not our ball. Hey. I couldn't handle the pressure. Ah, you guys are lucky because I was that naked. It's so the tabletop is so clean right now.
I know it's like two.
You don't got it, Cheryl. Miss.
Nothing.
Oh!
Julia. Come on,
You got this shit, Julia. You got it. Focus.
This is rigged. Yes.
That was really close.
Hold on, I can't do that.
Yes.
Oh,
I got you.
alright.
Let's go, Joe.
All right. I got this. I got this. Let's go.
You got it, Joe.
Come on, you got this. I believe you.
You don't have it. You don't have it.
Miss.
Come on, that's the biggest high five. I keep getting so close. So close. Let's go, please.
Drop the
Fuck
ball.
you.
Cheater, please, cheater.
I know, cheater. Green Acre.
Another one. Let's go.
Another one. No.
Corey,
No.
what?
Oh.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Try off the wall.
Off the wall, John.
Hey, you can try it off the wall once you make it, but you haven't even made it once.
John!
Whoa.
John!
Are you even trying?
Okay. So much pressure.
Make it one time and then you can go off the wall. You haven't
Okay, I'll make it one
Yeah,
time.
three.
I'll go.
Same thing. Let it go back.
No, Josh, stand there.
Oh. Yes.
Oh my god.
My heart is fucking racing like a motherfucker. You got this. Oh, come on.
I got you.
You love this shit, Blue. Go Bart.
No.
Go Bart.
No.
Play time.
My broomstick.
Oh. Jeremy Lin.
Yeah, Terminator.
Terminate my game.
Chino with the shit.
Oh!
That was close. Yes,
That's it.
Okay.
Yes. Alright, you got this.
Got it.
You got this.
Got it.
Churito.
Oh, true, you got it. True, you got it. True.
Bullshit.
Thank you, Julia.
It's so hard to look. Yeah.
All right, Julia. You got it, Julia.
Focus.
Oh.
Got it.
Yeah.
Really close.
You motherfucker, man. Let's go,
No, you got it.
Oh, come on.
No, you don't got it.
Miss.
Oh. I don't want to play the game.
I know. Come on, beach club. You got the Gary. Okay, you got the
Bad energy, come on. Bad energy.
Give him bad energy.
Oh.
Good.
One more.
One more.
One more.
Right there.
Sucks.
Bad energy.
One more. Let's go.
Bad energy.
Easy money.
No. Fuck you. Yes. See? Alright, who's next? Alright. Hey,
Make it.
I'll do it one.
Hey,
I want you to do it off the
Okay,
wall.
okay.
You have to make it one.
You got this.
You got this.
Take your time.
You know how much Josh sucks at basketball?
I can
No,
beat you any
he's
day.
trying to emotionally charge you.
Come
Don't
on.
listen to him.
Focus on the cut.
Oh, see, you're so close.
Don't do it, Josh. Don't do it, Josh.
That was good though.
See,
See,
here.
when you
All right,
focus.
you're
Go
close.
Tiff.
You're close.
Go Tiff.
Now flick it over.
Come on. Big of the wrist.
Oh, that was close.
You can't do it.
What flavor is it?
What the fuck is this?
It's spicy.
It's alright, it tastes like Pedialyte, so that's cool.
But
Pedialyte sucks, but it's like, it's.
you know
Oh,
when
I
you
do
have,
get a hint, a spice.
yeah, right. You know when you have like a cheap water bottle and it tastes like that plastic?
Oh.
It's like that, spicy.
What the fuck is this?
I
What do
have
you
no
guys think of
idea.
it?
No.
I don't like it.
What it tastes? If it's spicy, I'll say that the wings, buffalo wings.
It tastes like, yeah, it tastes like.
Oh, it's the buffalo
But it
wings.
does not taste like buffalo wings at all. What else could it be that's spicy?
Fucking chemical wings.
I think so.
What he said. I didn't even. Oh, I can't. Oh, who puts fucking chili in the soda?
Oh, Mexicans put chili in beer.
All right.
Let's go, carry the team, Gio.
I'll try.
Carry the
I'll try.
team.
It's a little wet.
Carry
It's a
it.
little wet.
Carry it. Let's go.
Let's go, Canada's Whispers.
Oh.
We ain't drinking anymore today.
All right. No.
Let's go. Bart.
Oh.
That's close. That's a little less.
Oh.
Shit, so close.
This was a cup there.
Finish.
I used to love soda.
I know, this is nasty.
That's it. I gotta do it for my teeth. Gotta do it for my teeth.
But you suck.
No, you don't.
You got this.
We
You
got
can make it.
4 cups. We gotta do it.
You can make it.
Oh!
It's close.
Nothing.
Let's
Go, Julia.
I can't do this moving thing.
Right? It's hard.
A little more
That was a good
power.
arch.
A little more power. Am I good?
Not
So much
You're good.
You got it, Joe. Just take
Let's
your
go,
time.
Joe. You gotta
Try to
believe
try
it.
to
You don't got it,
feel
Joe.
the Roomba.
Feel it.
Feel it.
Let it become you.
Feel the bristles.
Yeah.
Feel the movement. Van Damme that shit. You're Van Damme, okay?
Let the nation
Put dust in your eyes. You can't see anymore. You just gotta
Become one with the ball.
Feel it.
Just feel it. Let it out.
Over here.
Feel it. Feel it.
Feel it right here.
Let's go, Just Money. You are the ball. Oh, you are the ball. Let's go, Just Money.
It went in and out.
I saw that.
Too much
I
power.
think it's the tape.
Too much power.
Power,
bro.
Got this.
God
Go
damn it.
bleed. Focus, bleed.
Go bleed.
No, please.
I don't want to do this.
Curry, why not? For three. Bingo! He is in a zone right now all by himself.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Your face out of the way. You're helping him.
Really close.
Oh, smell it first. Tell us what flavor.
Oh, never mind.
That one looks like apple juice.
Oh, I think this one's coffee. It smells like chocolate though.
I hate
Oh wait, it
not
smells
too
like
bad.
peanut
Oh,
butter.
she already
Oh
drank
fuck,
it.
what is it? What is it?
Oh, he's pushing it in his mouth.
What is it? It smells like peanut
That's
butter.
What is it?
Fuck!
Uh-oh.
What does it smell like?
You want the, oh god.
Does it taste like Paulo?
Who?
Paulo.
What is that?
Mas Paulo.
Palo Pablisco?
Come, right?
No,
Come,
Palo
come.
means no, Palo means this.
Oh!
I think he's changed his dip.
What
is it?
Paulo?
Okay.
Chemicals!
What is it? What flavor? Oh,
Give him some time. Let it breathe.
you alright? Oh.
Damn.
Don't fucking try it. Don't do it.
I tried.
We have to!
Ah!
What is it?
Fuck.
I don't know. It's gross. It tastes like,
Hakuna Matata!
it tastes like fucking possum and I don't know. It's fucking gross.
Possum?
Yeah, it tastes gross, dude.
Dude, what have you been tasting?
Why does
like
everything-
Towards vagina of pasta?
Why does everything
it's fucking
taste like
gross.
This is
this?
that. It tastes like dirt.
Is that the worst one so far?
I think,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think so. Dirt?
I'm gonna make you guys taste that one.
What is that? What is it?
I don't even know. It tastes
Oh
like,
man,
Ah!
I'm getting nauseous.
I don't know what it is. It does taste like dirt.
It's fucking
wet dirt.
skunk!
It's skunk.
it's skunk soda.
Yeah.
Skunk juice.
Alright.
So is it the coffee?
I don't want to drink these anymore. It's not even
What is
cold.
it? Is it peanut butter?
Yeah, not
What
playing
is
around
it?
anymore.
What do you think it is?
Wow. It's closest is like coffee.
Not peanut butter.
Not peanut
Coffee? Oh, maybe coffee. I don't know why they would fuck up with coffee. There's actual coffee soda.
This is not coffee soda.
Not even close.
It's fucking skunk soda. It's
Gaga.
fucking skunk ass soda.
With dirt. It's bad, dude. Josh, you got this. We got
Josh, right here.
4 cups.
Bounce it right here. Right here.
Come on, come on.
Bounce it.
You ain't gonna make it, Josh.
Josh, we're rolling.
Yeah, no, I'm waiting for it.
Make it
Okay.
bounce off the ceiling.
Oh!
No, come on, come on, come on. No. No.
I don't want to lose.
That's it, come on.
We're gonna get it.
Give him a
You
chance.
made it before. No,
No, don't do this.
I can't drink
You can't do this to us.
You could do it.
Oh, you can't do this to us.
You could do it to them.
Hey, move the arm out.
Close.
Alright, my turn.
We got it last
Heart is
time.
pounding like
Let's go, Gio. I believe in you. I
Okay,
believe
thank
you. You made it. You made the first one. Oh! Right there.
Oh! Come on! It's always close. Always. Come on, Bart.
I don't want to see.
We're gonna win, Bart. Come on.
got this, Bart. You got this.
I'll tell you what happens. I'll tell you what happens.
Give me the play-by-play.
Yeah, give me a play-by-play.
Back and forth. He missed. He missed. He missed again.
Come on, let's go.
You got this, Cheryl. I believe in you, man.
Good energy,
So
good
tough,
energy. You
buddy.
got it, Cheryl.
Nope.
You got it, Cheryl.
It's alright, it's
Going too
alright.
fast now. You
Nope.
can take it, Cheryl.
Oh!
Yeah.
Julia. Nice and gentle. Just like that. Just like that.
Don't get nervous. It's not a big deal.
Can make
Big
it.
deal.
Don't be Cantonese about it.
Big deal,
Nice and
Julia.
gentle. Good. Good job.
Let's go,
You
Joe.
got it.
I believe in you. I'm doing it for the team.
Go, Joe.
Come on, Joe.
No case.
Yeah, you're getting it.
No case.
Yeah, you're
You're
good.
feeling it.
No case.
Ah,
No. We still need the table. We still need the table.
Big Luke.
Hey, Usa.
Not drinking anymore. I'm not drinking anymore.
No. Hey, Blee, I heard Chinese people.
Smell funny. They smell like funny.
Oh.
There we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lee, you're not even. No, Lee.
Fucking
I'm
shit.
thinking of anything to say. I'm so nervous.
Alright, I don't even want to look. Josh, you got
You got
to
it,
do it.
Josh.
No,
Josh, you got it, Josh. You got it, Josh.
You don't got it.
Ain't bad,
Don't aim.
Josh.
Oh, you're so low. Damn it.
So did
Hard.
You did it before. Same thing.
Same thing. It's cool.
No, a lot of pressure, Tip. A lot of pressure.
No pressure.
Yes!
You went right through the
It
middle.
did, thank God.
Good thing is it's too close to make it
Fuck.
harder for
You
me.
got it, Gio.
Come on, Gio.
Fast.
Every time.
I know.
Every single time.
Alright, Bart. Joe shots. Bart, you suck at basketball.
He does. Oh, whoa. Maybe that's good. Do that again.
Hard.
You got that again.
That's the right aim. That's the right aim.
You got this. You got this, Churro.
We got this.
You don't
Make
got
them
this, Churro.
suffer.
Right here.
Nothing.
got it,
Santa
Churro.
Maria.
Yeah, there you go.
Chill over
Pray
here.
that shit.
One more, come on. Chill over
No
here.
more.
Be quiet.
Bullshit.
What is happening?
I'm
You
cold.
gotta get through that. Come on. You got 2 more cups. That's it. We're done.
Draw it really hard.
No.
Really good. Really hard. Really hard.
Wait, give it to Sam.
Yo, it's right there. It's right there.
You don't have it.
Oh!
It moves last
Okay,
minute.
move that sand it too.
Let's go.
Let's get fire.
You can't do it. You
You can't do it.
got this, Lee. You got this.
More power.
Pressure.
Oh.
The pressure.
Hey,
Lee,
kids
you're
taking
good.
that
You're
nine
good.
though.
Watch out.
It's harder now because I have so many cups.
Said you're not bad enough.
I'm about to take that hand right now. One.
Josh,
Let's go.
Nothing, Josh.
Hey.
Nope.
Oh!
Take your time.
Rim again. Hey.
No, look, he's gonna make it.
Break.
Hold on,
Again.
tip the rim.
All right, Tim.
Tip
Right
the
there.
rim.
No.
Go, Tiff.
No.
Got this.
Think about how nasty, how you don't want to drink anything.
Yeah.
You want to drink? I can't do this
The hair's in your way though.
Of a
Get the hair's in your eye though, Tiff. Get the groove. Wait, the ball though. The ball's gonna slip.
It's
It's
wiggly.
really heavy. One with the Roomba. It's really heavy.
Oh,
Oh my God.
no worries.
You and Glee are the only ones scaring the whole team right now.
No worries. You got it. You got the star players. You got the star players.
You don't got it, Gio.
Give that
I
Rasta.
don't got it.
You don't got it. See, exactly.
No, Gio.
You don't. See, there's no
I don't
point.
got
You
it
might
at
as well not
all.
shoot. You might as well not shoot.
shoot.
Go ahead and shoot.
You get me really nervous.
All right, Bart. All
I
right, Bart.
always, almost.
All right, Bart.
Let's go, Bart. All right, you're not good.
No.
You got it.
Don't name what you
Focus.
need. Girl, you got it.
I know.
Look, yeah.
Your new eyes.
I can't do this.
Your new eyes.
You are.
Come on, cycle.
Yes.
Oh,
They're not good enough yet.
No.
He missed.
New eyes. Real eyes. Real eyes. Real eyes. All right, let's go.
You got this. You're a champion.
Let's go.
Bro, you got it.
You're a
Stop
champion.
fucking around.
Champion.
There's
Enough.
something on your hair.
Alhambra.
Something in your
Oh,
hair,
there is
Cheryl.
something in your hair.
I think it's chalk.
Still there. Stay there.
You should probably check on it.
Don't worry about it.
It's so unpredictable. Right?
It is, dude.
No, it has
Your whole life is unpredictable.
Hey, we're
Not man enough.
It's about to come back. It's about to come back.
Not man enough.
Oh, so close.
I knew it.
get back,
Stop this bullet.
Feel it.
Frustrating.
Against his own. Oh, that was really good. Really good. Really good.
No.
Oh, so close.
Come on, Joe. Come on.
Joe Molly enraged, Joe.
I take my time.
The citizens of Jamalia are watching.
Watch your arm.
Nope.
Oh. Hey.
Fucking bitch. Fucking motherfucker. I need the table.
Don't get mad at the vacuum, Joe.
He's not. He's disappointed in himself. He knows he could do better.
No, bleed.
Come on, please.
No, Kim told me that.
Go in,
Say, hey.
They do have a timeout. Decide not to use it. Curry, way downtown. Bang! Bang! Oh, what a shot from Curry! The brilliant shooting of Stephen Curry continues.
I can't say you're the best thing ever.
This one's for you.
Can't say you're the best thing ever.
Oh, yeah. Fuck you, Brandon.
No.
Fuck.
It's red.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I want to die.
I can't even break anything.
Don't break anything.
I get it for Steph.
Oh no, this one smells nasty.
True, homie.
Thanks, Beach Boy. We're not drinking
I did it for
anymore.
Steph. I did it for Steph.
What the?
We got robbed.
Oh, what is this?
No,
it smells like weird
Drink it.
jalapeno.
I drank the other ones first.
Jalapeno?
I'll see his face.
I'll
Weird.
drink this one first.
Yeah, do it, man.
Oh, go, Josh. What
It
is
smells like Band-Aid!
it?
Smells like that.
Oh, dude, what is it?
Not true.
I'm sorry. That smells like Band-Aid, dude!
Fuck it.
You tasted it. I saw that. You went nem nem.
What is this? Ew.
What? No, come on.
It tastes like permanent. If permanent marker had a flavor.
Yeah. Like you know how
And Band-Aid.
you can smell like permanent marker? It tastes exactly like that.
Yeah,
It
it's
looks like
permanent
fruit
marker.
Just in case.
Which one is the closest?
That's what's gonna make you puke for sure.
I don't know. Maybe
Is it
peanut butter.
kiwi-
I don't
kiwi
know.
cake?
Oh no, churro!
No, drink it, bro. You got
Hey,
it.
down it.
Just chug it real quick.
Down
Keep it in
it.
your
Don't
mouth.
keep it in your mouth!
Just swallow it. Gotta be a man, churro.
Be a man, churro shake. Oh!
Hold it.
Oh!
Hold it.
That's awesome.
I heard that come up.
Oh my
Joe.
God.
You can do
Oh
it.
my God.
If you can eat natto, you can eat that.
I could eat a lot of things, but this is fucking Band-Aid.
It's nasty.
It's nasty.
You never
It looks
ate a
like
Band-Aid
fruit
when you were little?
Oh, that is cool.
Yeah,
I gotta stop smelling this shit.
Yeah, just.
Fuck!
Go.
That shit fucking gross.
This is military training.
Military.
You missed it.
Hey, what the fuck?
I don't want to do this fucking shit.
Oh, no.
Oh, God. That was
No,
good,
no,
Josh.
John, no.
Miss.
No.
No.
That was
One more. One more time. No, come on, I don't even want to look. I don't. Man.
You got this.
Oh, wait.
As long as you want. No, Tiff.
Julia, it doesn't matter. Oh, sorry. For now, it's living.
Ooh, you have your now. You have your now. No.
Oh.
Let's go. You got two, make two. Let's go. You make these two. You'll make these two. You'll make them. You'll make these two.
Nothing.
It's gonna go right there.
Nope.
You'll wait. Yeah, you drinking a whole lot of shit today.
You got the first one.
let's do this.
Hope you enjoy that shit.
Yeah, enjoy that shit.
Gargle it down
Savor
your
it,
throat.
guys.
Savor it.
Savor
It
it.
smells like the bottom of pudding.
Oh yeah, drink
Yeah,
it.
it
Really?
smells like
It tastes like
Thank
it.
you.
It's like,
Doesn't it smell
it's
like?
tire.
It smells like skunk.
Is it?
Oh.
It's skunk soda.
Dirt.
It smells like a baby skunk.
It's
Really
really
sweet?
sweet.
So it's similar to the yellow one.
Yeah, down.
Yeah.
Take a sip. I promise you take a sip.
Oh,
It tastes like
Asian
molasses.
people.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Tastes like molasses.
Yeah.
Tip, what does it taste like?
I'm like smelling tire.
Really?
Yeah, that shit's tire, right?
It
Tastes like
tastes like the
molasses.
bottom.
Vision tire.
You know at the Chinese supermarket, there's a yellow pudding with the little brown thing at the bottom?
Yeah. It's on, right?
Chinese
fun.
people.
Yeah.
That won't make it taste any better. So
Yeah, just down it. Chinese. It's not fair. They're Chinese.
That's why Chinese people can't be on Fear Factor.
Oh my god, it's gross.
right.
That's fucking nasty. What the fuck is that?
That's
No, honestly, that one
soda.
wasn't so bad. I almost
That's
gasped.
pretty good, to be honest.
That one wasn't so bad.
Shut
It
up.
was better than the yellow one.
Dude, that shit's
What are you
bad.
used to eating then? Cause that shit, right? So like in the Chinese markets, they have this jar that's like, really sticky, and we
The
use
three
it to
Chinese
chopstick.
people.
Tip, are your eyes starting to water?
Chinese,
Yeah, make me better. So bad.
Hey,
Go Bart.
let's go.
Oh man.
Do this.
We got the middle one. We got the middle one.
Game winning
We're not
shot.
drinking no more, Bart.
No,
Come on.
no.
We got this shit.
No,
Perfect.
no, no,
Oh, that was good.
no.
Wait till it doesn't move.
Turn. No, no,
Turning.
no. No.
Oh, so close.
Alright,
So close.
each time. You ain't gonna make it, churro. You ain't gonna make it, churro.
No.
Gonna have to shoot it with 3, with 2, in trouble, forced up, and in! Unbelievable! How hard that shot is to make. Wow!
It's the red one, too.
Let's do this.
Oh, man. Just
That's
the
the
red
worst one, guys.
That's bad.
I'm not smelling. Oh, this one.
That made me permanent marker.
See if the Chinese person.
Okay,
I know,
this is like permanent marker and tire marks. That's what it smells
Dude,
like.
that's Band-Aid. Take a sip,
This
tell us.
smells like Band-Aid.
Yeah,
Old
it's
dirty
Band-Aid.
All dirty band-aids.
Ah!
Band-Aid soda.
Ah! I literally feel like I'm drinking a dry
Oh, shit.
dry
you
face
okay?
marker. That's fucking
Is
gross.
the demon coming out?
It almost did. It
Oh.
almost came out.
You should have down it.
That shit almost
You
killed
gotta drink it
me.
again.
You fucked up. You fucked up.
I fucked up.
You fucked up.
Just
big
down
time
it,
there,
Brandon.
boy. Let's go, please.
You were acting all big before.
I didn't even see it.
Yeah,
I'm carrying my team.
Oh, he's a star player. He's a star player.
If he's your star player, I feel
Why
sorry.
do you think we sponsored him? Go for broke, man.
Exactly.
See?
You should drink the star player's drink.
I'll drink it.
It's good.
You
Can't be a bitch. No.
Let me try it. I'll get it.
It was his idea. It was your teammate's idea.
I was kidding. You gonna be a wimp? Let's go. Let's go.
Don't drink it like that.
Don't drink it.
Yeah, that would actually make it worse.
He's all sipping on it. Don't savor it. Savor it.
Oh god. That's fucking
Oh shit.
I don't want to breathe through my nose right now. Yeah, don't breathe, dude.
Through your nose.
Just
Hurry
hold
up,
your breath.
Bart, hurry.
Keep smiling it.
Oh, that was bad. That was.
Let's
worse.
go.
That one was worse.
You eat sticky tofu.
If I could eat my mom's cooking, I could drink anything.
You- Good?
Oh, that was pretty bad.
really gross.
We can't tell his expression because his eyebrows are all gone.
Yeah.
The glasses.
You got this, Julia. You always do really good. Really good.
First one, Julia.
Game.
Oh! Second shot's gonna make it. Oh! So close!
This is our comeback. This is our comeback, baby. Comeback, baby.
No comeback. No comeback.
Hey, you got this, Joel.
You don't got it. You don't got it.
You got it.
You don't got it.
Oh!
Damn.
Why?
Right there.
Come on, be try everything.
Right.
End this shit.
No.
End it now.
No. Oh, please. The homie, please. Oh, no.
I don't even want to toss him.
I know, because he just makes it anyway.
It'd be like Steph Curry.
Just straight.
Oh!
thinking of the flavor in his mouth.
I
Think of
know.
the flavor. That's flavor.
You're in the team.
Not drinking.
Not drinking it.
Yeah, you are.
Come on, believe this.
Think of gagging.
Study the movement.
Reach out.
You got this.
Come on.
Here, the.
Reach out. Reach out. Yeah!
You got this, Josh.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, Josh.
You got it.
I just gotta believe. Believe.
Yeah, I believe in you, Josh.
Believe in anything is possible.
Believe.
Focus.
Hey, believe.
Nothing is possible for you, Josh.
Hey, believe.
You got it, Josh. You don't got it, Josh.
No.
Yeah, you do.
Chris.
Nothing.
Yeah, Josh.
Because you don't have a Josh. Because you don't have
Take your time. Take your time. Breathe.
You bought all the watch you would have wanted.
Breathe.
But you didn't buy it
Let's
yet.
go.
Aim right here. Aim
What
right
happened
here.
to what happened to the bounce off the wall?
Oh, yeah.
Bounce it off
Bounce
the
it off the
ceiling.
ceiling. Come on. Nope.
Hey, you're close. You're close.
Let's go. Got this.
No. No.
Go broomstick.
My stomach is starting to hurt.
No. You got
I don't want to do this no more.
Hey, let's go, Gio. Let's go, Gio. Let's go.
Nothing.
Let's go.
No,
Three white
nothing.
lights. Three white lights. Three white lights.
Pirlo afinando, ya cobra, pelota por arriba. ¡Gol!
One more shot.
Watch out, okay.
Murder this. Let's go. Kill the game.
Still got it though. Still got
What I said.
This is a spicy one.
Yes.
Dude, that's fucking
smells like
chemical
soda.
wings.
It's not as bad as the
Yeah,
other
this,
one.
yeah, this one's alright.
Pretty
Yeah.
bad though.
It's pretty bad.
It's why would they put spice in a
Why do you
soda?
keep tasting it to be joy?
It tastes like orange soda.
It's not.
I mean, it
it's
smells
not
like
bad.
it.
That
It's
red one.
Smells like it.
It smells like orange soda.
Yeah, it's not like Band-Aid, but fuck, it's
Oh, I
still
hit the- I
bad.
can feel the spice now.
Yeah, you feel the spice.
Oh!
Fuck,
It's not too bad.
it's pretty bad.
Ew, this was so gross!
Really? I thought the red one was way worse.
You know, okay, everybody says, what was that one spicy candy? It's like hot.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Are you okay?
No!
Okay. That's just.
Okay. Alright. Let me bleed though.
Fuck!
Let's do this!
Why is it burn?
I know it burns.
Why does the burn going down?
It's because it's
Spicy.
Yeah, spicy.
I think it's the wings.
Yeah, no. Come on. No. Oh shit.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh no.
There you go.
There you go.
Defense. Oh my god. Alright, that's it. Hey, I'm gonna make it. We came back. I called it. That's it. And I fucking end this shit. End this shit.
End this shit.
Nope.
Hey, watch out. It's your turn. My turn. My turn again.
Please.
Now you're taking
I don't
too
want to
long.
drink another one,
You're taking
please.
too long. You're taking too long. Hey, you're taking too long. It's coming. It's gonna twist though. It's gonna twist right when you throw it. It's gonna twist right when you
Just
throw
do it, Jerome. Just do it.
Hey,
Right when you throw it.
All I hear is ringing bells, because I'm about to drain
The
it.
Roomba will get it.
That doesn't make any sense.
we ain't drinking anymore. Let's go. No.
Go, Julia. You gotta stay calm. Come on. That's the trick.
Nah.
You gotta stay calm. Shut the fuck up! Oh shit. Let's play.
Hey, you got this, Joe. Come on. There's a lot more walls on the... Alright, let's go. Hey, Joe. Let's go. You got this. You can't drink no more drink. Oh, right there. Woo.
Roomba turn!
Alright, let's wait. Wait for that motherfucker to get closer. Patience is... Yeah. Wait for that motherfucker to get closer.
Oh my god!
Come on, yes, there you go.
Got it.
Come on, alright.
Go, Glee. You should have been there at the end.
Come on, Josh, all you, baby. All you, Josh, you got this. I am sweating balls right now.
You keep burping and tasting all the flavors.
Got this, baby. Got this. Do it for... Hey,
Right here.
hey, forget the white man. Let's do it.
Nuts.
Let's do it.
What are you talking about?
Josh, just wait till it gets closer.
Damn it. Let's go.
I can't aim at it.
And when it comes closer, let's go.
Do I believe in miracles?
Nope.
Second time that happened. No, Josh, you gave me a heart attack.
That was so close. Let's go, Tim.
No, I'm scared. No.
Oh my god.
I think for you.
I think for you. No. Gio. Hey, Gio. You in there? Hey, Gio's gonna make this a win. I already know it. I feel it.
Just chill out.
Oh, God.
We gotta chill out. We gotta be like Zen, dude.
Hey, rather be like,
My
let's
bad.
be like monks.
It's my bad.
Everybody chill out, dude.
It's taking too long.
Chill out, everyone.
Chill.
No.
You're in the rain.
You're good.
Come back.
My heart is gonna freaking, I'm gonna die.
Please. All right. Who we got?
We got a churro.
Chill. Oh.
We got the churro. Right?
Yeah, got churro.
Come on, Julia.
Hey, right here.
Wait till it gets closer.
Come on, churro.
Time, churro. Take your time, churro.
Hey, keep bouncy.
No.
Stay bouncy. Go twist.
All right, Julia.
Julia.
You got this.
Your first shot's always your best shot.
Yeah, just relax.
First shot's your best shot.
If you miss, it's alright.
Now you got another chance.
Oh
my
it's
God.
alright. Don't worry about it. It's alright.
Plenty of movement.
It's alright. It's like a trigonometry, you know, the hypotenuse and the angle and the sine and the cosine. Come on.
Go. Last one.
Churro, please.
Yeah, end it. That's it.
End this shit. End this shit.
As the emperor.
End it.
Both at the same time.
No.
No. Go. There it is. It's all you.
Alright, let's go, bleed.
Oh no. Go bleed.
No. I'm so scared.
Wait, I'm waiting for him to come back.
Wait for it to come back. Yeah.
I don't want to drink anymore.
Wait, you don't want to prove that you're good at ping pong and
Yeah,
all the
come on.
stereotypes, please.
Yeah.
All the stereotypes.
All the-
No,
yeah.
break the stereotypes.
Okay.
I need to touch the ball.
Alright, let's go. Good luck.
Oh, I like that. I like that.
Alright, good
I like
luck.
that.
Feel my sweat.
The problem is you're the last one touching it, Josh.
No.
See? Nothing is possible for you, Josh. The problem is you're the last one touching it, Josh.
The last one touching it, Josh.
Yeah!
I knew we need a black on my team. Hell yeah!
Oh yeah! Oh! Woo! Ah!
That was
Really
good.
big
Josh,
here.
That was good, dude. That was
Josh, now you can bounce it off the
It was
wall.
because of my sweat, bro.
This is a really big hole that could go through
That's not the
the
one.
good. Oh shit, where did this come from?
This is you too.
Wait, I thought I was that one.
That was you.
Yeah.
Oh shit, sorry.
It's over. It's over. The Cavaliers are NBA champions.
Alright guys, good freaking game. That was heart-wrenching, but unfortunately, you guys lost, which means that not only do you have to drink your losing liquids, but you have to drink our remainder liquids. And you have to combine both, put them in this jug, and then fill it up all the way to the top and consume them.
Thank you, Josh.
Yeah, coming through.
You helped us escape death.
Robert Horry.
So we got, what do we have? Oh my god! You guys want to smell it first?
No, I don't
Okay.
think I want to.
That's ranch.
You should. That
This
one is ranch.
It's ranch,
I need to move.
but
Yeah.
it smells like
No, you should be fine.
like girl makeup. Oh.
It tastes worse though.
To me, it smells like Play-Doh.
Oh god.
It just sounds nasty.
Smells like feet to me.
It's like plastic.
It looks like squirt though.
I'd rather
corn
lick a
one.
feet before you
This
eat
one's
that.
familiar. This one's not
Oh
bad.
yeah, this one's.
I thought that
this
one was the worst.
pretty good.
I actually
This
thought that
one, the
was
corn
the worst.
potage.
Yeah.
Good.
This one, the corn's
We
not
gotta
that
see more
bad.
But it's chemical.
Oh, whoops.
But the other one is. Alright, this is
were-
to the Dust Bunnies.
One.
They had the ultimate comeback
Oh,
story,
thank you.
and you guys are the living embodiment of go for broke.
Oh.
Yeah. You
Underdogs.
guys deserve the win.
Yeah.
for
Thank
sure.
you.
guys killed
Thank
it.
you.
I didn't do a
Underdog.
damn thing. I just got to survive.
Guys ready?
I'm
No,
not ready for
my
this.
stomach's not ready.
I am not ready for this.
You should chugging the whole thing.
Well, I mean, we have the whole freaking cup. I don't want it.
This smells so
Bottom
You
bad.
guys want to smell it at least?
At least smell
Fine.
it.
I already know.
Oh, what the fuck?
Hold on.
Smell it. It's really bad. It's really bad.
I'm not trying to.
It's really bad.
Oh, thank you, Josh.
It's really bad.
Uno, dos, tres.
Oh! Fuck! Damn, Bart.
Oh shit.
Oh, Julia.
shit.
Hold your nose! Hold your nose!
Why did it come out of your nose? Do you know how to
Hold your
drink?
hair.
Oh god.
You don't know how to drink shit?
Oh, that was so gross.
This is really bad, dude.
Oh, that was
Do you
disgusting.
need a trash can?
That was fucking plastic liquid soda.
Oh my god.
It's so gross.
You guys should have practiced before you played us.
Alright guys, congrats. You guys survived that.
Thank you guys for taking it.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching Roomba Pong, because we took out the beer. If there are any other Pong type games that you guys would want for us to play, maybe some nasty food or something, go write it in the comments below. Until next time.
Who fucking suggested
Bye.
this shit?
Oh god. Michael, I hate you.
Fucking nasty.
It was my idea.